Are you trying to create AI videos for a faceless channel, only to find that every powerful tool on the market comes with a heavy price tag? The few free options that do exist often produce low-quality results that just aren't worth your time. Don't worry. Today, I'm going to introduce 3 powerful AI tools that can generate cinematic videos in a single click. Completely free, unlimited, and with no watermarks. The third tool in particular has some truly impressive features, so be sure to watch until the end. Let's get started. Tool number 1, magi.san.ai. First, go to Google and search for magi.san.ai. Once you land on the site, you'll see a clean interface. Click Sign in with Google to get started. What's great about this tool is that it gives you a generous 500 credits right from the start. To begin, click on New Project, which will take you to the main editor. Upload your image, and once it's ready, click the small plus icon next to it. Select Image to Video, paste your prompt into the text box, and click Generate. The tool will give you a time estimate, and within a few minutes, your video clip will be ready. You can easily set the duration of the clip to 5 seconds or even longer. Tool number 2, Pixverse. Next up is Pixverse. Just like the others, search for Pixverse on Google and head to their official website. After logging in, you'll receive 60 free credits. The best part about this platform is its reward system. You get daily rewards just for logging in, and you can earn a significant number of additional credits by completing small tasks, like inviting friends or participating in events. This ensures you'll almost never run out of credits. To create a video, just click the plus icon, upload your image, write a prompt, select your desired quality up to 1080p, and click Create. After a short processing time, your high-quality video will be generated. Tool number 3, Tomovi.al. Finally, let's move on to our third tool. Search for Tomovi.al and click on the first site. After you log in, it will gift you 130 credits to start. Its video quality is truly amazing, and it features a reward system similar to Pixverse, where you can earn credits through daily logins and referrals. A single successful referral can earn you 50 credits. On the main interface, scroll to the left on the bottom menu to find the video generation option. Here, you'll see both image to video and text to video. For now, let's try image to video. Upload your image, provide a prompt, set the quality, and click Generate. In just a moment, your incredibly realistic video will be ready. Now that you've seen all 3 tools, I'd love to know, which one are you most excited to try out first? Or if you know of any other great free AI video generators, please share them in the comments below to help the whole community. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.